Yes. Question everything. Question every bill that comes in your door. Question why you're paying your bills. Question why you've got to go to work 9 till 5. Question why we had to buy houses. Go back and do your history. Go back and read the witch trials. Go back to 1302 when the Pope changed everything in our lives. Go back to history and see why we are where we are today. Because midwifery today is a product of the witch trials. It's a remnants, it's a haunting, I call it, of what's happened before. It's just a whole different attempt on people's lives.